cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yup, yup, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, 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 the cook is hot.
What's up, homie Lou's homies? So today we're going to be making us some chocolate covered strawberries. I didn't even make a list today because basically dealing with the strawberries already mixed up with the coconut oil or shortening if you have it. Okay, this video is more about decoration. It's less about the techniques of dipping. I did that in other videos, but this is more about how to decorate it. Now, as you can see now, I have a real piping bag, honey. A real piping bag, not the little ghetto hacks I've been using in other videos, but I finally just went out and got a real piping bag. You see how I put it in a glass to make it easy to just pour right on in there. Then we're going to cut the tip off. We're going to test it to make sure it's drizzling out the way that we want it to so that we can make us some decorations, honey. That's it, honey. Now we just take it, get some, see how I got it, try to move it down, get all those air pockets out, then just get right down to the tip, clip it off with some scissors, and then we're going to show you how to make it on drizzle, honey. You know how they say make it rain? We're going to make it drizzle, okay? We're going to make it drizzle. Just cut off that tip, test it out inside the bowl to make sure that it's drizzling out. And that's the way that we want it to drizzle. You see how it's drizzling out? Yes. Now we're ready to drizzle it across some strawberries, honey. Yes, honey, yes. As you can see, I drizzled a few of them off camera. I drizzled them across the bowl with the chocolate in, made a big mess. At least it looks like a mess. But we're going to turn this mess into a beautiful thing. This is going to become marble strawberries, honey. You see how you dip it into there? Look. Twist it around. I'm doing it in slow motion for you, honey. Dip it in there, move it around, pick up all those different colors, let them mesh together. Now you have the marble effect. This is how we make the marble effect. This is really nice, honey. See it? Oh, oh, oh. It's pretty. Yes, honey. So you just made a marble effect with the drizzle that you held over the bowl while you were drizzling it back and forth across the other strawberries. So now you're just going to pull this out, lay it down, let it dry. Later on, I'm going to show you how to add a little gold, how to add a little luster dust and make those strawberries pop, honey. Yes. One thing I can't stand is a liar. I can't stand a liar. I'm a Pisces. Pisces, we will sit up there and listen to your lies. We won't even interrupt you. We look at it like we're reading us a fictional novel, except the novel is speaking. And we're like, okay, to ourselves, we're like, they are lying their behinds off. Ain't none of this is true. And what you just make a mental note to yourself is don't trust this person. Don't trust them. I can't stand people that just lie for no reason. Don't try to impress people that don't like you anyway. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? I can't stand a liar, honey. I can't stand that. Now you see this beautiful marble color, how it picked up all those colors when you moved it around. Dip it in, move it around. Like this particular one, most of the color was gone, so it didn't pick up a lot of color. So we're going to go ahead and do a little drizzle effect with this one. That's just run it back and forth. And you see how it's dropping into the chocolate? That's what we use to make the marble. So we just drizzle back and forth this blue in a real piping bag, honey. A real piping bag, not the little ghetto glove. Then we're going to take some pink. Let's go ahead and drizzle that pink across there. Everything that falls intentionally into the chocolate will be used to make the marble effect. So now we're adding a little gold, just dabbing a little bit here and there to give it a nice little bling bling effect on your strawberries. You can color the whole entire chocolate gold, but I'm just dabbing a little bit here and there. And this type of gold, you just dip the brush into it. You don't even have to add any vodka or anything else to it. So I'm picking up different pieces and dabbing a little gold here and there just to give it a nice little effect. Check it out, honey. Check it out, honey. Yes. So now you can see I'm adding a little pearl luster dust to all the strawberries, except for the ones that have already been painted with gold. Well, most of them anyway. We add this onto it using a brush. Make sure that this brush is a makeup brush. Has never been used on your face, honey. A brand new brush that has been used only for cooking. Never been used on your face. Because you don't want to serve anybody, not even yourself, something that's been on your face, honey. Okay, so you're using the edible pearl dust, you dip it in the makeup brush, and then you're just dabbing it on the strawberries. This gives it a nice luster and a nice sheen to it. Makes it look real classy and sophisticated, honey. And then you just go ahead and use it like that, dab it on there. You know, it's like a highlighter for strawberries. It's called edible pearl dust. Comes in different colors. You can dip it on all the chocolate once it's dry. Don't try to dip it when it's wet, honey, because you'll make a big old mess. Yes. So these liars, they just go on and on and on. You're sitting up there listening and being entertained, but in the back of your head, you're like, you're lying. And then they just go on like really thinking you believe them. But it's a gift that they have. It's a gift. They think they running game on you. You listening. But my thing is, you running the game on yourself. Because truth be told, you should take this gift you have of making up stories and turn it into a fictional writer, honey. Use your skills for something good, honey. Because don't nobody believe you. We just let you think we believe you. You out here looking crazy in these streets, honey. So homies, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, make some comments, hit that little notification bell so that you can know when I've uploaded new videos. And thank you guys for watching. Yes, peace. Mwah.